Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Martin, Chief Research Officer here at the Institute for Corporate Productivity. In light of today's ever-changing business environment, the importance of agile leaders and organizations is paramount. And to help our member organizations anticipate, adapt, and act on this change, I'm really pleased to announce a series of assets that we're going to be coming out with for our member organizations. They're rooted in our research on agility. Many of you are familiar with research we came out with a few years ago that revealed 6 key practices of highly agile organizations and 5 shared values of highly agile organizations as well. This research builds upon that and looks in depth at the leadership characteristics as well as workplace and talent practices of these highly agile organizations and ones that distinguish high performance versus low performance organizations. There are 2 facets to this research study. The first is qualitative, where my team went out and conducted 20 extensive interviews with senior ranking executives from 20 very prominent employers around the world. Now, those executive perspectives we've written up in a summary write-up that's available to you now. And in that, you're going to see 5 core themes from these interviews and related HR practices, as well as the implications for HR when it comes to organizational and leader agility. There's also a quantitative element to the study where we've captured survey responses from close to 1,800 organizations worldwide. Now that research we're going to conduct our correlation analysis on to figure out what are the practices around leadership traits, organizational and structural practices, as well as talent practices that differentiate high performance from low performance organizations, as well as the significant few that we consider next practices, those that a small percentage of high performance organizations are pursuing, but the statistical correlation to our market performance index are very significant. In addition to a research report, we'll also be producing a series of infographics as well as case studies on organizations that best represent the next practices identified through that research. And then the i4cp annual conference in March in Scottsdale, Arizona. Of course, the theme is always next practices now, but the underlying theme for this event is going to be agility, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's foremost thought leaders as well as practitioners and what they're doing to advance an agile organization.